Welcome Blue Star School students. Today we are going to see about chapter number is 11. Chapter name is Perimeter and Area in 7th Maths NCERT book. Last video we discussed exercise number 11.2 which is based on area and perimeter of parallelogram. Now today we are going to see about exercise number 11.3 which is based on circumference and area of circle. Let's see in detail. Take exercise number 11.3. Let me take the first sum. Find the circumference. Find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. Find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. Now that we have discussed area of so many different geometrical figures, let us talk about one more geometrical figure, that is we are talking about circumference of circle. What do you mean by circumference? It is nothing but the length of the boundary of a circle. That is called circumference of the circle. Let's see an example problem. We take first subdivision, A subdivision, that is 14 centimeter. Okay. So in this we have to find the circumference of circle. Here what is given? Given is radius. First we have to write the formula. Circumference of circle is, what is the formula for circumference of circle? It is nothing but 2 pi r. Already you learned. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. We have to substitute the value, given values, to find the circumference of circle. Okay. So 2. What is the value of pi? Already given. See the question. Take pi as 22/7. So pi as 22/7. What is the radius? Given radius is here 14 centimeter. Next we have to reduce. We have to cancel in 7 table, 1 sevens are 7, 2 sevens are 14. So 2 22s are 44, 42, 44 2s are 88. 88 centimeter. So therefore circumference of circle is 88 centimeter in this first subdivision. Next we have to move next subdivision. And you take B subdivision. R equal to 28 millimeter. R equal to 28 millimeter. Similarly B part. What is the first step? We have to write the formula for circumference. circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r. 2. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7. In this subdivision, r is 28 millimeter. Here also we have to cancel in 7 table. 1 7s are 7, 4 7s are 28. Okay. Then we have to multiply. 2 22s are 44, 44 4s are 176. So 176 millimeter. So therefore circumference of circle is 176 millimeter. Next let we take the question number 2. Find the area of the following circle given that we take A subdivision. Radius r equal to 14 meter. This is our question. Find the area of the following circle given that radius equal to 14 meter. So in this sum we have to calculate the area. So how do we calculate the area of circle? So first we have to write the formula for area. Area of circle equal to pi r square. Pi r square. Already we know the value of pi, 22 by 7. R square means r into r. Okay, here already what is the value of r? 14. So 14 into 14. Next, what is the next step? We have to cancel this one. 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 20, 40. Okay. So 22 into 2, 44, 44 into 40, 660. What is the unit of area? Square unit. So you put square. Next we have to move subdivision B. Diameter. Diameter equal to 49 meter. This is our question. What do you mean by diameter? It is nothing but radius is just half of the diameter. So here also we have to write the formula of area. Area of the circle is pi r square. Before that we have to find the radius by using the diameter. Okay. So here radius equal to half of the diameter, that is d by diameter by 2. What is the value of diameter? 49. So 49 divided by 2. This is our radius. We have to substitute this value. So 22 by 7 into 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. Next, 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 49. 1 2s are 2, 11 2s are 22. Okay. We get 11 into 7 into 49 divided by 2. Now solve the equation. We get 1886.5 meters square. This is our answer. Next we have to move question number 3. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meters square, find its radius. And also find the area of the sheet. Take pi equal to 22 by 7. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter. Okay, here what is given? Circumference of circle is 154 meter. Then find its radius. Also find the area of this sheet. Okay. So we have to find radius and also find the area of sheet by using the circumference. Let's see. First we have to write the formula for circumference. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Okay. Here what is given? Circumference. Circumference is 154. 154 equal to 2 into, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. We don't know the value of r. So you have to write simply r. Okay. You have to calculate the value of r. So 154. Here 7 is division. So it comes multiplication. Divided by 2 into 22 equal to r. What is the next step? We have to cancel. First cancel in 11 table. 2 11s are 22. Here 14. Then we have to cancel in 2 tables. 7 2s are 14. We get the value. 7 7s are 49. So r equal to 7 7s are 49 divided by 2. So this is the value, which is equal to 24.5 meter. This is the radius of circular sheet. Now also we need to find out the area. So what is the area of circle? It is nothing but area of circle is pi r square. Here pi is 22 by 7. R is 49 by 2. What is the next step? We have to cancel this one. 11. 1 7s are 7. 7 7s are 49. The value is 1886.5 meters square. So this come out 1886.5 meters square. Next, let me take the question number 4. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence also find the cost of the rope. If it costs rupees 4 per meter. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter is 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. So here what is given? Diameter of circular garden is 21 meter. So we have to convert diameter into radius. Okay, next we have to find the length of the rope and also find the cost of the rope. Okay, let's see. Diameter. Let me take D is a diameter 21 meter. We have to convert into the radius. Radius equal to D by 2. Diameter divided by 2. That is 21 by 2 meter. This is radius of circular sheet. Next we have to find the circumference. Because we have to find the length of rope. Circumference equal to 2 pi r. 2 into what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into R is 21 by 2. Next we have to cancel. 2 cancel. 7 ones are 7. 3 sevens are 21. Next 22 into 3, 66. So 66 meter. Circumference is 66 meter. Next we have to find the length of the rope. Length of the rope. Here given is 2 rounds of fins. So we need circumference of garden into 2. It is nothing but 2 into 66. We get 132 meter. So the length of the rope required for fencing is 132 meter. Next we want to find cost of the rope. Here given statement is cost of 1 meter. 1 meter rope is ₹4. Next we want to find cost of 132 meter. 132 meter rope equal to ₹4. 4 into 132 meter. Okay. Then we have to multiply these two numbers. It is nothing but ₹528. 528. This sum is over. Next we have to see the homework sums. Your homework sum is in exercise number 11.3, first sum C subdivision, that is 21 centimeter, and in second sum you have C subdivision, that is radius equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, that's your homework. Okay, thank you students.